United Cat Services welcomes you to the world of construction project management. The construction project management course participants are project managers, construction managers, project consultants, architects, designers, engineers, quantity surveyors, accountants, and students. The construction promotion industries include government bodies, public and private firms, real estate firms, consultant firms, architects and engineering firms, manufacturing, distributing, transportation and trading firms, plant and machinery, repair and maintenance firms, banking and financial institutions, R&D establishments, contractors, the clients. The clients are the owners or the business promoters of the project, the financiers or sponsors of the projects, the one who utilizes the project. The construction management consultants include architects engineering associates. They design the buildings, landscapes, they design structural, electrical and mechanical systems. Suppliers. They supply labor, material and equipments. Contractors. General contractors, specialists in power plants, process, HVAC, highways, bridges, dams, marines, and they are classified with work capabilities like S, A, B, and C class. Project management consultants. They perform computerized planning and scheduling and controlling. The construction projects include building projects, residential, commercial complexes, educational, recreational, hospitals, hotels, warehouse and marketing. Infrastructure projects, dams, canals, highways, bridges, oil and gas pipelines, transmission lines, large water supply, sewage lines, docks, harbors, airports, railway stations, nuclear and thermal power plants. Industrial projects, manufacturing plants, steel mills, petroleum refineries, consumer goods factories. Special purpose projects, environmental emergencies, remedial works, installation and commissioning of equipments. The project classifications, long duration projects over 10 years, medium duration projects 3 to 10 years, short duration projects up to 3 years, and special short term projects less than 1 year. Why project management? Because each project is unique. No two projects are alike. Projects are high value, employ huge resources, heavy investments, and high level technology. Projects are time bound. Projects have stipulated budget, quality to be achieved as per the international standards. The project development stages, formulation stage, project idea conception, feasibility studies, investment appraisal, mobilization stage, project preliminary plan, designs and drawings, specifications and contract finalization, resource mobilization and earmarking funds, construction stage, planning and controlling execution, inducting resources, construction and commissioning, final handing over to the client. The project manager. He is the key participant in all the development stages and acts as a catalyst who motivates them achieving results. Participates in finalization of design, drawings and specifications. Prepares preliminary project plan and schedule for processing. Advises the client on an early purchase of items. Evolves the pre-tender construction plan. Scrutinizes the tender packages. Conducts the pre-tender meetings to contractors. Evaluates project costs. Sets policies and procedures for implementing the project. The project manager also represents the clients and acts as the boss at site. He ensures smooth functioning at site and makes decisions when site faces problems. He manages the entire construction process. He manages the entire site activities and contractors. He is accountable to the client for the construction of the project. The construction manager manages the work at site, manages the resources at site, maintains the harmonious relationship with project manager and others, makes follow-ups after completion of the project, maintains as-built drawings, responsible for site clearance, responsible for final payments to contractors. The construction projects. Construction project is unique. No two projects are alike. Projects are transient in nature. It comes to an end after its mission is fulfilled. Projects move from place to place. Projects are in remote areas and are prone to weather changes. Accidents rates are high. Projects are of high risks, strict schedule, and resource constraint. Schedule slippages affects the project deadline. In construction projects, quality of work at each stage is inspected. Project tasks are non-routine. No time for training or learning. High interactions required between all companies involved in the project. The project construction plan, time plan, schedule the start and finish of the project, resource plan, forecasting labor, material and equipment, plan for controlling project, computerized plan using Primavera and MS Project.
Everybody say, yeah, it's 50 Cent, yeah, and Lloyd Banks, yeah, and Young Buck, yeah, and Joe. Baby, I'm in rock and roll with you, and still hit them blocks and them shows with you. Can you picture me and you, none of the friends, no crew? We can do whatever you want to do. I take your mind off whatever you're going through. Sit back and relax to the sounds of the sax and hood, but that don't mean I ride around with the racks. I work to make you lose a couple pounds in a sack.